Hi, my name is Arsen Serban and welcome. Now, in this course, we're actually going to talk about Russian Vaganova style, which is a syllabus that is required for level 1, and its age usually starts from 10 till 11 years old. So, first thing we're going to learn is how to do the arms and leg positions at the bar. So, let's go into the first position. Now, first position is when your feet are all the way turned out, your knees are open, okay? We do not pronate your feet, but squeezed shoulders, elbow to the side, okay? So sometimes try to relax the hand and then really just pick it up with your muscle inside to move the elbow just to the side. Head is going to be to the side, trying to match with your chin, your shoulder. When that happens, please pay attention so your left shoulder doesn't come forward. You keep that position right here. So this is the first position. Second position, the leg is going to go battement tendu, and second. So it's same thing. The only thing is the heels have to be above your shoulders. So let's switch right here in the camera so we can see it. So that's the position of the second position. Okay, very important second position is you do not pronate your feet, that you always keep this part of it up. Okay, so let's go back in second position. Now we're going to shift from the second position to fourth position. You're going to go tendu, and you're going to shift the leg, and head is going to go 1. And that's your fourth position. Fourth position, I would say the most difficult one because you have to concentrate on your hip placement and the legs turn out. So it's very important that your right hip that you're standing is not going forward, that you're keeping it back, and left side goes forward. Left arm is in front of you, and your thumb should be on top of the bar. You don't want to grab the bar, okay? The right arm should be in front with the elbow up. Do not drop that arm, okay? And we stand in the fourth position on both legs, not on the front leg, not on the back. So you have to distribute your body on both legs. So here's your fourth position. The toe have to be in front of the heel, and then other legs, the front leg heel, which is your right leg, should be right in front of the toe. So it has to be very aligned. So very kind of concentrate to keep that position in place. Now we're going to go battement tendu and close it to the fifth position, close fifth position. And that's your fifth position, tight, turned out. Same thing, we keep the right hip above the heel, left hip above the right heel if you're standing with the right leg front. Okay, very important that you're standing. When you're standing with the left leg, you have to really rotate that back leg. When you rotate, you will feel how your right side goes forward. Of course, it depends if you have a nice turnout or you don't, but it's very important that when you start professionally trained in the syllabus of the Vaganova, that you actually do have flexibility and turnout to start those combinations. If you don't have them, it's going to be harder. So that's why you guys always can check out our professional stretch classes in our courses. That if you can pass them, you'll actually be ready to actually execute bar for the level 1. And that's your fifth position. Okay? So we pretty much covered your first, second, fourth, and fifth position.